Welcome back makers, hobbyists and the general worldwide STEM community. Today I will be talking about an exciting project, the ESPRanger, which has just been launched on Kickstarter. Thank you for taking time to visit. My name is Dave Williams from DitroniX and welcome to my lab. Over the many years of developing boards for a whole range and variety of worldwide STEM projects, one thread that pops up from time to time is LoRa. Before I delve into my latest board, here is an overview of what LoRa and LoRaWAN is. LoRa is a flexible, long-range and efficient wireless communication protocol. It takes advantage of its low data rate to achieve vast distances, local up to even 200 kilometers, using only low-power RF signals. These signals or packets of data could be compared with those of perhaps MQTT communications, for example. A typical setup is one or more nodes, which are effectively some sort of sensor. Could be a water meter, oil levels, agricultural field monitoring, flow meters, temperature, movement, light, etc. Each of which are able to basically send individual messages, packets of data, either point to point or over a LoRa network. As some examples, we see on a typical farm so many opportunities for LoRa, such as in automating sprinklers, water tank levels, soil monitoring such as moisture, temperature and pH levels. Then we have equipment and tagging opportunities, either for security or simply asset management. Keeping track of livestock and movement trends, we could easily include geotagging or even monitoring of water troughs to make sure that they're not dry. Within the equestrian world, using a board such as ESPRanger, you could track the movements of a horse within its paddock, importantly enabling the animal's continued health and security are easily remotely monitored. This includes stable movements or even lighting control. Geofencing and tracking are obvious uses to ensure the animal's safety whilst the owners are away. Monitoring of electrified fences around fields to check they remain active and guarded following possible bad weather, or simply to ensure the battery is still charged. Then moving on to transport, such as tracking of public transport or reporting of locations, monitoring road haulage and loads, including containers. The possibilities are endless. Alternatively, you could even use LoRa nodes for receiving data, and controlling devices could be gates, lighting, security, all of this remotely. Broadly speaking, the types of networks are off-grid networking, such as Meshtastic, or even Mesh Core. It's possible to have private or closed-loop networking, such as ChirpStack. Or you may even want cloud-based networks, which is perhaps the most popular, and these examples are TTN, the Things Network, and Helium. All networks typically have one or more RF gateways. These are similar to repeaters, the little devices that receive and transmit LoRa RF signals to maybe other nodes, but mainly they're used for sending data to the cloud via the internet. As you can see from the topology overview, LoRa communications can be vast, from small closed networks, such as maybe on farms, within businesses, industry. TTN is probably the most popular cloud-based LoRa network, as it has so many gateways all over the world. However, if you find that you don't have any local gateways, or they're a little bit too far away, you can easily and cheaply add your own. A standard account is free, so it gives you a great opportunity to have a play and learn a little bit more about LoRa and its capabilities. Returning back to my new board, the ESPRanger is a compact and powerful STEM community board the size of a Pi Zero, as you can see here. The compact design of the ESPRanger includes the following features: a LoRa module to allow you the long-range wireless communication, a GNSS receiver, which is effectively a GPS receiver, an IMU, which is a 3D digital accelerometer and gyroscope to monitor movement, an RS485 interface to allow you to monitor and control local devices, all powered by an MCU, which is the ESP32C6. And the unit itself will allow you to high voltage, so basically you can facilitate 5 to 60 volts DC supply, all on one board. The ESPRanger has been launched on Kickstarter and also on my website. Links can be found in the comments below. Thank you for taking time to watch this video and hope you like the new board. Please enjoy. And finally, please don't forget to click the subscribe button so you don't miss future videos, and hopefully provide a thumbs up if you like this one. I do appreciate your time. So until the next, goodbye for now. Thank you.